brighter horizon as Keith has been declared the victor in yesterday's presidential election. The celebrations in the streets. One citizen was quoted saying, "It's a win for..."
Time Safari Inc.
We guarantee nothing. Except the dinosaurs.
This way, Mr. Eckels. Time is money, and we're about to spend both. Follow me. Everyone strapped? Don't touch a thing. 5 men go back, 5 men come forward. No exceptions. That is the path. It touches nothing. You step off that path, you change the future. Stay on the path. Stay on the path. Don't step off. If you step off, there's a penalty. There he is, the tyrant lizard, the monster.
It can't be killed!
Get back on the path. Eckels, get back.
Fire! Every man, fire, now! Bring it down! Look at your boots, Eckels. Look at them. Get in! Get in now! We have to move before the air changes.
It's the same. Everything is exactly the same. Isn't it? Who won the election yesterday?
You joking? Deutscher, of course. A man of iron. A man of guts.
The glorious dawn of the Deutscher administration begins today. Martial law remains in effect for all central sectors. Efficiency is our strength. Report any subversion to your local precinct immediately. The air of the new era is here. Breathe it in, citizens. It is the smell of iron and order.